Hey y'all, years ago, Aunt Glennis is no longer with us, but we would spend for 25 Thanksgivings we spent at Aunt Glennis and Uncle Bernie's house in Statesboro. And those were just wonderful family times with the higher side of the family, my daddy's side. And she always made these blondies, and we just ate them like we would never get another one. Well, I'm doing a blondie this morning, but there's a twist on this one, so I hope you like it. Now we're starting out with a 13 by 9 by 2 pan and a piece of parchment paper, and I'm gonna lightly spray this with flour. I'm missing some of it. That's not too lightly, but it's the best I can do. So we're gonna leave these sides over so we can lift this out and let it cool. So I've got I think it's 2 1/4 cup, no, 1 1/4 cups of melted butter. And I'm gonna put it in our bowl along with our brown sugar and our white sugar. Sounds good already, doesn't it? Yeah. I mean, it's got to be good with that much butter, doesn't it? All right, we want to just make sure we get that sugar, all of that sugar, good and wet in that butter. And now we're going to add some eggs, 2 eggs. And some vanilla extract. Those are the prettiest eggs. These homegrown eggs the yolks are just like sunshine. They're just gold, orangey gold. All right, now the vanilla extract. It's starting to look like a blondie. All right, now in this bowl, we're gonna mix together our all-purpose flour, our baking powder, and our salt. And y'all will notice that we're doing caramel bites in this blondie. All right, so we mix our flour, baking powder, and salt, and we're gonna add the flour to the butter mixture. And this is very important that that you get no dry streaks in this. You wanna mix it until everything is wet. So that may take a minute. Okay, like I said, it's gonna take a minute incorporating all that flour, but I don't see any dry spots. All right, now I'm gonna add our chopped apple, fresh apples, our pecans. I have such a hard time with these glass little ramekin dishes. And every time I do it, I think about that day on Oprah where I dropped it in the mixer. Oh. All right, so we're gonna fold those in. And the last thing we're gonna fold in is our caramel bits. Yeah, it's B-I-T-S, not B-I-T-E-S. you know, fall just brings us the most beautiful, beautiful apples. And so I really like taking advantage of this time of year and using all the apples I can. My favorite way, though, to eat good old apples is when I make fried pies, fried apple pies. They are so, so, so good. All right. Now here we go. We're going to put our batter in here. And when I get it all in there, we're going to level it out. Okay. Just spread that out as evenly as we can. And we're putting it in a 350-degree oven for probably about 40 minutes, something like that. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, y'all, I have completely cooled our blondies, and they look so good. But, you know, they need a little topping, just a little. So we're going to drizzle a little topping on this. I've got 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, and I've got 1/4 of a cup of the little caramel bits. And I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to heat it in the microwave until it's, you know, together. But I'm going to do it in like 30-second intervals because I don't want to overdo it. All right, y'all, I wound up doing this for about 40 seconds. So I'm going to try to drizzle this on there real pretty like. It's not wanting to drizzle. I may have to heat it some more. This just doesn't drizzle real pretty. Probably need to add a little bit more cream. It's starting to drizzle a little bit. Oh, I have cut me a piece that doesn't have any caramel on it. And let's see if I can fix that. It's a little drop. Caramel apple blondie, y'all. They're really good. Taking care of the apple season. Very good. But make twice as much more caramel sauce. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.